Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the life of an English teacher here in Cambodia, how affordable it is to live here, the cultural adventures that are there, and then also your teaching experience itself. So let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about how affordable it is here to live here in Cambodia. Imagine having a breakfast for between $1 and $2. For instance, the Chrouk, which is a pork and rice dish, pretty much an awesome breakfast, which all of the locals, it's one of my favorites as well. Renting an apartment, anything from like $150 to about $300 a month, fully furnished, so it will come with a lounge suite, it will come with your bed, it will come with a TV. Generally, Wi-Fi is also included. The only thing that it will not be included is your electricity, which is then charged separately, and you'll get a separate bill for that. And then also imagine the transportation, anything between $1 and $2 for a tuk-tuk ride, or even if you want to cycle, even cheaper. So you can maybe buy a bicycle or even a moto. Is a possibility. So let's go through the cost of living there. So if you look at the rent, you look at the utilities, so that's electricity, water, etc. You look at food, so that's eating out, plus also buying groceries itself, transportation. You're looking at about $20 to $40 renting a bike or using the tuk-tuks, as well as entertainment. Obviously, you just want to have some fun. So it really truly depends on your specific lifestyle, what it is that your monthly expenses would be. But it could be any as low as 370 and can go up to about 690 with a very good salary itself. So on average, about $1,000 a month in salary. So as you can see, that your residual income is still good, and you'll be able to save some money. So it's really affordable living here, and you'll have a very comfortable life as an ESL teacher here in Cambodia. The absolute vibrant culture. Imagine exploring the temples, the markets, the local festivals. There are several festivals that happens annually here in Cambodia. We live here in Siem Reap, and there are several, and it's pretty amazing to kind of see how the city becomes alive. You kind of feel the energy in the air with all of these festivals. I love festivals itself. Enjoying authentic Cambodian dishes, for instance, the Amok or even the Lok Lak. You have to try it when you get here. And then also immersing yourself in the welcoming and diverse community here in Cambodia. It's a very friendly and accommodating type of culture here in Cambodia. I can't speak enough about how welcome everybody is, and they just here want to kind of help and support, and super friendly itself. Then let's talk about the teaching experience. So depending on the school where you are, but generally the class sizes are not very big. You have the opportunity to teach both young learners as well as adults. It really just depends on your profile. And we as Destination TEFL will obviously help you to find a job in a specific age group that we think that you would be good, and we'll work with you to kind of find that. And then obviously, if you don't have the teaching experience or don't have a qualification, you can have a look at two of our programs. We have the Fast Track program, which is for those people who have already done a TEFL qualification, whether it's done in person or online, which is a 3-week, kind of see it as an orientation, 1 week with a trainer, 2 weeks of practical experience to get you classroom ready so that you can hit the ground running in your new job as an ESL teacher. Or alternatively, if you want to go for the full one, that's a 5-week TEFL qualification, which now includes the CELTYL, which is your certificate in English language teaching younger learners. And it's definitely there to prepare you for a successful career as an ESL teacher here in Cambodia itself. So why Cambodia? I think that the main thing really with Cambodia is because of the low cost of living. You know, earning a high salary, low cost of living, as I spoke about previously. So really quite a good thing. You get that international teaching experience, which is great. It is done in a supportive environment, especially with us on one of our programs. And you will enjoy a balanced lifestyle with room to travel and personal growth. Using Cambodia as a hub, Thailand is right next door, Vietnam is next door. It's easy to travel to Malaysia, so you will have ample enough time to really go and travel on your long weekends or during your breaks. and it's affordable because you are here in Asia, and using Cambodia as a hub will definitely help you. What are what's the next step? The next step really is just to get in contact with us. You can download our cost of living guide. It's on this blog, on our blog. So please have a look and see if you can find the blog and read the cost of living. It's there for you to kind of make an informed decision about what is it that you want to do. And then, obviously, if you have any questions, please pop us an email. You can contact me directly at info@destinationtefl.com, or visit our website, www.destinationtefl.com, and all of the information is there. We look forward to seeing you soon, and hopefully we can be part of your ESL journey. Till next time, bye-bye.